guys, it's me Jazz and welcome to my channel The Vlogging Jazz. If you're new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel right here and also press the bell icon to get the notification. So in my today's video, I am going to show you guys the entire kit range for the beginners. जो लोग अभी जिन्होंने अपना मेकअप में स्टेप इन किया है या जिनको मेकअप करना बहुत पसंद है बट हैव नो क्लू कि कहाँ से स्टार्ट करें, क्या बाय करें. So yes, definitely then this video is for you guys and यहाँ पे जो भी रेंज है वो स्टार्ट हुआ है ऑलमोस्ट 300 से स्टार्ट हो रहा है एंड कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स है जो है 600-700 के रेंज में भी. सो इसीलिए मैंने ये वीडियो का टॉपिक रखा है अंडर 1000 रुपीज़ प्रोडक्ट्स. And yes, without any further ado, let's just get started with the video. So I'm going to start with the base, how we start doing our makeup. So first thing that you require is a good moisturizing cream. So the one which I use at the moment is from WoW Skincare Vitamin C Face Cream. And this is of ₹599 but आपको इतना ज़्यादा इन्वेस्ट करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. आपको मिल जाती है निविया की फेस क्रीम आपको मिलेगी. प्लस यू ऑल्सो गेट गार्नियर मॉइस्चराइजिंग क्रीम, सो यू कैन गो फॉरवर्ड एंड बाय दोज एज वेल. And then second thing is the most important step, that is primer. Maximum of the people they miss on to buying a primer thinking that कि primer की क्या ज़रूरत है, तो why to buy that. But let me tell you guys, primer is really very important because जो प्राइमर है वो हमारे पोर्स को फिल करता है. इट गिव्स अ वेरी स्मूथ टेक्सचर टू आवर स्किन, जिसके ऊपर जो हमारा फाउंडेशन है एंड द अदर प्रोडक्ट्स इट जस्ट ग्लाइड्स इन वेरी स्मूथली. सो द वन विच आई यूज इज फ्रॉम द ब्रांड NYKAA. इट सेज prep me up. So it's a face primer and it is in 30 grams of quantity. एंड ये मुझे मिला था 499 रुपीज़ का. यहाँ पे इन लोग ने MRP मेंशन किया है बट ट्रस्ट मी गाइज, ऑन NYKAA बहुत सारी सेल्स लगती रहती है. सो कीप अ काउंट ऑफ दैट एंड डेफिनेटली आपको ये जो प्रोडक्ट है अराउंड 350 कुछ मिल जाएगा. Now moving on to the next thing after primer is that our foundation, right? When it comes to foundation, we look for something which lasts really long, which will give us a matte finishing or a dewy finishing or a glossy finishing. So बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स हैं मार्केट में बट वी आर सो कन्फ्यूज्ड एज अ बिगनर्स कि हमें कौन सा प्रोडक्ट लेना चाहिए. सो टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर 3 सच काइंड ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स जो कि बहुत ही अच्छे हैं एंड दैट विल सूट एवरीवन's स्किन टाइप. सो द फर्स्ट वन इज डेफिनेटली माय फेवरेट Maybelline का फाउंडेशन. दिस इज सुपर स्टे 24 आवर फुल कवरेज फाउंडेशन. ये जो फाउंडेशन है आपको कवरेज देगा फ्रॉम मीडियम टू दी हाई रेंज ऑफ कवरेज. दिस इज लाइक हेवन. इट्स लाइक ट्रस्ट मी गाइज, इट्स रियली वेरी अमेजिंग. काफ़ी सारा प्रोडक्ट इसमें आता है एंड दिस लास्ट्स रियली लॉन्ग. देन द सेकेंड इज फिट मी फ्रॉम Maybelline itself. इवन दैट इज लाइक रियली वेरी अमेजिंग. उसका छोटू वाला पैक आता है, वो भी बहुत सही है. मेरा सबसे फर्स्ट फाउंडेशन वही था एंड Maybelline में मैंने उसी से स्टार्ट किया था फाउंडेशंस की रेंज में. देन आई स्विच टू दिस वन. Then the next foundation that we have is from the NYKAA brand itself. So I am in the shade tan. Actually ये मैं mostly जो है as a CC cream use करती हूँ. So जिस दिन मुझे ज़्यादा heavy makeup look नहीं चाहिए है, I just want my skin to glow and look really good. तो ये वाला प्रोडक्ट है जो मैं यूज़ करती हूँ. काफ़ी ज़्यादा फेमस हुआ है ये वाला प्रोडक्ट. देन द नेक्स्ट ब्रांड फॉर फाउंडेशन इज़ द शुगर ब्रांड. दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द वेरी गुड प्रोडक्ट. यू कैन सी अभी भी इसमें काफ़ी सारा प्रोडक्ट बाकी है. आई हैड परचेज दिस प्रोडक्ट आई थिंक लास्ट ईयर नवंबर में मैंने किया था 2019 में एंड अभी तक ये चल रहा है. अभी मैं इसको मोस्टली फॉर क्लीनिंग आउट माई आईब्रोज वगैरह यूज़ करती हूँ एंड इट कम्स अलोंग विद दिस ब्रश. सो इफ़ यू आर अ बिगनर एंड लुकिंग फॉर समथिंग जो आपको डूई लुक दे, सो दिस वन इज़ द प्रोडक्ट जो आपको परचेज करना चाहिए है. इट इज़ अवेलेबल इन वेरियस शेड्स. ऑफ कोर्स ऑल द प्रोडक्ट्स आर अवेलेबल इन वेरियस शेड्स. So yes, moving on to the next, the setting powder. Setting powders में this is my first purchase itself. Maybelline Fit Me का जो setting powder है, it is one of the amazing setting powder, guys. Then the next product is eyebrows. So the first eyebrow which I have to show you guys is from the brand Show. So this is the eyebrow pencil. It comes along with the this pencil. It is in the angular form itself. It's very easy to do and it's very quick and fast. Then it also comes along with this pulley on the other side. So it makes it like एक pencil bag में डाली, the kit is complete. Then the second thing for the eyebrow is the eyebrow filler. जिनके ज़्यादा eyebrows नहीं है and need to be filled properly. So this is the proper product which is in the powder form and it's from the brand NYKAA. Moving on to the eyeshadows. Eyeshadows में this is one of the eyeshadow palette which I totally love it. Because it has all the warm tones, all the shimmery shades which I feel that each and every palette should have, and this is very reasonable, plus the pigmentation of this particular palette is like super amazing. So let me show it to you guys. This is Forever 52 from Germany. Diamond Dust is the name of the eyeshadow palette. This is how the packaging looks like, and here is the palette. The palette is super amazing. If you look at the shade, if you look at the color range, it has all the browns, pinks, peach, and so many metallic shades as well, and it has one black as well. So it's like perfect for your say smoky eyes, for party wear looks, then even for daily wears as well. So this palette is chotu and so amazing to fit into your beginner skin. Then after that we have our mascara, our eyeliner, which I prefer from Maybelline itself, because I have been using Maybelline products from really long time and I am definitely like, I have so much of faith and confidence in that particular product. It's like I know if I invest my money in that, though it is going to last really good. So these are the two mascaras which I use. This is the Hyper Curl one and this is the Colossal Kajal. Both are amazing in their own ways, guys. Like, it's superb, it's waterproof, it's budget friendly. As for liner, again it's Maybelline Colossal what do we say, liner. If you want something like shimmery or a white kind of a liner, so this is from the brand Miss Claire and it is silverish liner. It gives it has little bit of blink in it, so it gives a really good look. It costs around 199 rupees and it just gets out of stocks like this. Moving on to the blushes, I personally never bought in a blush because my brother and I, we keep making blushes with the leftover lipsticks and all, so we make our blush by ourselves. But to recommend you guys, Maybelline ka blush is like the amazing. The must to have shades should be a pink and a peach one, because these are the two basic shades of blush on which you should have it, because according to the dress and according to the mood type you can keep switching to whichever color you want. Then moving on to the highlighters, I feel that this is one of the best. Again, it's from Maybelline. It is Master Chrome by Face Studio and it is illuminating highlighter. It is really very amazing. I have applied this highlighter at the moment as well. It gives a very natural shine to your highlight points and it's even affordable. The next up that we have is lashes. So eyelashes is something which we have in various forms and ranges. So depending upon that, what you want, you should know that yes, this is something which I want and ये जो है प्रॉपर लैशेज है. सो ऐसे मैंने काफ़ी सारे लैशेज जो है वो एक्सपेरिमेंट किए थे, क्योंकि काफ़ी सारे प्लास्टिक के आते हैं, काफ़ी सारे नॉर्मल हेयर के बने हुए आते हैं. So जो हेयर वाले होते हैं हमें वही परचेज करने, बिकॉज दे आर सॉफ्ट एंड वॉशेबल एट द सेम टाइम. जो प्लास्टिक के हैं दे बिकम वेरी पोकी एंड इट लुक्स वेरी आर्टिफिशियल जब आप लगाते हो. नाउ ऑल्सो आई हैव पुट द लैशेज, इट लुक्स सो नेचुरल एंड सो गुड. सो अभी जो मैंने लगाए हैं वो ये वाले पर्टिकुलर पैक में से है. ये जो पैक है मैंने शीन से मंगाया था. अनफॉर्चुनेटली शीन इज क्लोज्ड इन इंडिया. तो ये मुझे 5 तरह के डिफरेंट लैशेज जो है वो मुझे कुछ 400 या 500 में पड़े थे. But don't worry about that thing, guys. NYKAA is there from where you can actually order from the brand PAC, which is PAC PAC brand के. You will find really good lashes. So I have used PAC के lashes. I had 213 shade. जो बहुत अच्छा, बहुत ही नेचुरल लगता है, and it is very light on your eyes as well. For the lash glue, we have again from the same brand पैक. ये काफ़ी अच्छी लॉन्ग लास्टिंग लैश ग्लू है एंड दिस stays for really long time and it is very sasta as well. I don't know price, I'll just mention it here. And guys, yes, all the products will be linked in the description box below, so you can check out at any point whenever you want. So next we have like lot of lipsticks. So I'll tell you guys like how you because lipsticks एक ऐसा topic है जो कि हम every time confused रहते हैं कि कौन से lip shades ले, कौन से lip shades नहीं ले. So the basic lip shades which I prefer keeping with me every time are the 4 shades I can say. One is a nude, then other one is in pink shade, other one is in the brown shade, and the last one is in the red shade. So if you have these 4 lip shades with you, then you're good to go with your beginner's makeup kit. I have these 2 colors from Maybelline. You can see one is in the red and the other one is in the brown shade, which I have already applied on my lips. Then we have from Lakme as well. I have nude and this pink shade. They are like beautiful. The nude is like everyday go to apply lipstick, and the pink one is when you want to pop up or if you're going for a small hangout or a party, so it's like a perfect one. About reds, I have one from the brand Blur and the other one from the brand Maybelline, which is very intense red. So both the shades are like super amazing. Many of the channels I have seen that they don't talk about the makeup brushes in their beginners makeup kit, but I would definitely like to talk about the brushes. So the basic brushes that one must have are 3 different types of eye brushes. So these are the 3 different brushes. So this is the bigger blending brush, this is a little smaller blending brush, and this is a pencil puffy brush. So these are the 3 basic brushes which I feel everyone must have for the eye makeup, because अगर आपके पास ये 3 है, so it is you can do any makeup look. Talking about face ka brushes, so this powder brush is one of the must I feel. And the other one, which is the last one, that is this flat brush, which is very important. And I use it to clean my eyebrows. It gives a proper shape to the. Okay, so by this we come to an end of our video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I hope that you gain some knowledge about and got an idea about how you can make your beginner's makeup kit. And if you really like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't like it, you have the option to even dislike it. So please let me know through your like and dislike whether you liked it or you didn't like it. And also please share, comment and subscribe to my channel, which is the Vlogging Jazz, and I'll see you in my next. Bye.